everyone, I wanted to share a recipe with you today that my family and friends love. It's my sweet and smoky meat sauce. I use my sweet and smoky blend, which has pure maple sugar in it, so everybody loves that. First, I'm going to start off with 2 pounds of ground beef, and then I'm going to fry it. Okay, the next step, once you fry it all, and you can see it cooked down quite a bit, we're going to add the peppers and the onions to the frying pan. Okay, I combined the ground beef with the onions and peppers. So now I'm going to add the ketchup and the sweet and smoky blend. Okay, I've cooked the ground beef, the onions. I've added the ketchup. I let it cook for about a minute. Now the final step is to add the sweet and smoky blend, which I'm going to do right now. Make sure you add it at the very end. It's best that way. Everyone, we're finished with the dinner tonight. We have the sweet and smoky meat sauce. I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate your support, and we'll hope to see you soon. Thank you.